It may have been my first language because I was with my Bubby and Sadie more than I was with my parents. And they spoke Yiddish to each other. And my grandfather, who had to go out to work on the, he was a tailor, and he went on the Lower East, the garment industry, which a lot of Jews worked at. He learned English, but my Bubby never became fluent in English. So we had the Daily News came into our house. Two papers came in. The Yiddish Vorwärts came in, and Zadie would read to my Bubby at night. He'd read her the Yiddish Vorwärts, and I would listen. He was reading her. They had a Vice to the Lovelorn column. It was just like Ann Landers today, and it was called a Bintel Brief. And he would read her the stories, and some of them were very sad, and she loved when he read that to her. And then I would read her the Daily News, which at that point cost $2, and full of pictures. So we turned the pages, and she'd say to me, Ennela, she called me Ennela, was steht die Mann da? Why is this man's picture here? So I said, oh, Bubby, that's terrible. This man killed somebody. And she says, oi, Gewalt, er Jiddische? Is he Jewish? And I say, no, he's not. She says, danken Gott. That, as long as he wasn't Jewish, that was okay. And that's from her shtetl background. I knew that. But I loved reading to her because she never learned to read. She was too busy cooking and baking and providing for her family.